Good morning, good morning, good morning. What amazing, just incredible day it is. Hey, you're talking to the special ed professor, and the special ed professor is on it today because I literally learned a word today that I thought I knew, but did not know the right definition. And the word is copious, C-O-P-I-O-U-S, copious. Because we always talked about taking copious notes in school. And I thought the word meant, when they were saying that, detailed, or notes that were able to be able to read. So I always thought, hey, there's no way I'm able to take copious notes because I can't even read my own handwriting. I can't even remember as fast as the information's coming to me. I need to be able to stop, rewind, all that kind of stuff. And so copious was not a word that I used because it was a word that I thought I couldn't do. But what I found out today, that copious meant in abundance, a lot of, incredible amounts more. That's what the word copious means. When we talk about taking copious notes, we're literally talking about the amount of notes you took, not the quality of the notes you took, right? So quantity versus quality, copious is the quantity. Holy moly, we learned something today. I learned something today. Now you gotta learn something today. Now you gotta take this word and use it. So the copious amount of words that maybe your spouse uses, you can say, man, you got some copious words today. And then you're kind of saying, hey, you've been saying a lot of stuff. All right, hope that helps. You guys use it today, use it for the next 7 days, and we will talk to you with another 100 words that people should know as adults tomorrow.